What you doing?
Putting dishes up. Shooting a snake.
So how'd it go?
He did.
Okay.
He didn't get a baby.
Well, good. That would be a chicken.
Yeah. Don't try to get my chickens.
All right. Well, I guess we'll go out and look at the snake, and then you got a gun to clean.
No, he's right there.
Shush it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. This is a king snake that I'm holding in my left hand. This hand here. This is a snake that was getting into our... I see it, babe. This is a snake that was getting into our chicken house. He has swallowed this other snake. Now, my wife only saw this one snake, and you better be getting this, babe, because we're only getting one on
You
this.
took his lunch away.
I did take his lunch, and I'm very sorry for that, but
That is crazy.
you don't see that very often. Most of the time it just happens.
That is crazy.
And this one, I don't think it was a venomous snake, but...
Move, Tucker. Tucker. Tucker.
It was in the, with the chickens. So how about this?
Oh, now you want to...
Okay, pause it. Just to, finish this video up, I'll probably put this inside the, well, we'll figure it out. But this guy is still alive and happy. He is the winner of the snake fight, 2018, I guess. And I'm going to let him go over here on the shop side. We've got, this is on the far edge of my property. And I'm going to let him go. Hopefully he will not mess with any more of the chickens. That was interesting. I've never seen another snake eat another one. I know they do that, especially these king snakes, Mr. Kingy. And damn, he's got a grip too. I think he knows I'm letting him go. But now I have to untangle myself from him and not get bit. Come on, dude. Gonna have to set you down, guys. And he is gonna be pissed because he missed a big meal. He's about, I don't know if you can see, he's about 4 feet long. The kick in the butt is he did not poop on me yet. So, let me let him relax a little bit, and then I can let him go. There we go, buddy. There we go. There we go. And there he goes. Oh, he's still hanging out right there. Go on, dude. Thanks for killing the snake. Thanks for not killing my other chickens. How about that? Crazy, wasn't it? Anyway, guys, in just a second, now you're going to see a picture of my ugly mug pop up on that side, as well as my beautiful wife on the other side. Will be some videos. This was a heck of a video. I've never seen that before. Take care of you people.